Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a daily message for everyone, a collective message for June 23rd. Okay. Someone is feeling alone here, collective, and very closed off, like someone is going within for seeking answers, very closed off energy. Okay. Spirit, for the people who are going to hear this message. Yes, someone is very sad, someone is very upset and disappointed, and someone feels that why they have to compromise every time. Could be a third party situation or could be a comparison going on, but very disappointment here, like someone is very upset, someone is very disappointed, and maybe someone is disappointed because of the comparison, and this is about love, like someone feels like the other person or other couple is very happy, and why they have to, like why every time they get heartbroken, something like that, or why they have to compromise every time in a relationship. But something related to growth here, because you love this person, collective, and you have to let it go now. Maybe you are in the process that you are letting this person go, but I'm getting here that someone is very upset here, and maybe you are upset because your partner is not talking to you. Maybe you are upset because your partner were in other commitment or already married, and there is always a comparison between your relationship and what they had with the other person. You could be having Libra in your chart, and you could be very creative, you could be an artist, but I feel you are fed up. You are fed up because of the comparisons. Maybe there were a lot of arguments as well, a lot of people in this situation, but you feel alone. Someone is feeling very alone here. But the situation is going to change, and I feel, collective, that money will be good. If not now, in the near future, you are gonna get a lot of money and stability in your life. Okay. Someone is stalking here. If you are upset, missing someone, I feel you are stalking someone, collective. If not you, this is your partner. Your partner is watching you, but not taking any action towards you, collective, like watching you from a distance in secret. Maybe things have ended between you guys, and it could be anyone, like you have an ending with this person and you love this person, or this person loves you, collective, but like Libra and Sag energy here, like someone could be player and you are getting out of love with this person, like you are fed up, you are trying to let go. You could be waiting for a communication from this person. If not, you may receive a text from this person, and it could be very in and out between you guys, but things are stuck for now. I feel this person is watching you from a distance because this person wants to reach out to you, and this person has his eye on you. This person see you as an empress. You could be Libra or Taurus, or just very attractive, very spiritual. I'm also getting it could be a third party situation for some of you, like things were very in and out between you guys, but now this person wants to bring a balance in this relationship. Expect growth in your relationship with this person. I'm also getting this person will try to bring a balance. This person will try to reach out to you, and in the past I feel you were begging for this person's attention, and this person has some, like this person had some other priorities that time, but right now this person want you, and this person feels like you are in your power. You could be very spiritual. I'm also getting you could be involved in some like tarot readings or astrology, like these kind of stuff. I'm also getting something unexpected is going to happen, and you are going to receive an unexpected communication. Could be a fire sign, but something stable is going to start again. And if the relationship was stuck, if there were some issues, or if there were like very stagnant energies around this relationship, the situation is going to change, and something real, something stable is going to start. This person has taken a lot of time to reach out to you, I feel, but you could be very intuitive as well, but you are going to get very, like, this is very unexpected for you, and you are going to get a certain communication, certain text from this person, a certain news about this person. But I feel communication here. I'm also getting this person will try to bring stability in this relationship, and this is going to start again. Yes, if there were a lot of arguments, this person will try to fix this. You could have met this person at your workplace, or could have gone to a school or college with this person, but I feel this person is here to cooperate with you, and this person admires you. But I feel in the past you admired this person a lot, and now this person want that back. I'm also getting that you guys can have a lot of arguments with your partner, and you are going to feel very alone. But this is about stability. You could be married to this person, you love this person, I'm getting here, and or this person could be married. But whatever it is, this is about stability, and things are going to be fine, I'm getting here. Like, there is a chance that you guys will get into an argument, but things will be fixed. Yes, there will be a new start in this relationship. There will be a communication. If you are expecting some money, then yes, you can receive some money as well. But I'm also getting a communication from this person, and I'm also getting, like, if you are expecting a lot of money, you are not going to have, like, you are going to get something little. That's what I'm getting here, if this is about finances. But overall, I'm getting that if it's about love, you are going to receive a communication from this person. This person will definitely try to bring a stability in this relationship. After a lot of arguments, this person will take a leap of faith towards you, and this is going to start again. And this is mutual energy. This is the outcome of this relationship. And yes, this person loves you. You could be dealing with a Scorpio. I'm getting Sag, Libra and Scorpio energies here, and I have every sign though, but these energies are heavy. Okay, one love card please for the collective. Yes, the Rainbow Reviver. You are happy here, and just take care of yourself. And I feel some of you are taking care of yourself. Maybe it was your past energy, like you are very upset and disappointed, but for now I'm getting like you are in your power and you are loving yourself. This is about self-love. Some of you could be living with your family right now, but I feel this is about self-love. Like you are happy, and that's it. Like your focus is on your own growth, on your spiritual growth, on your creativity. That's what I'm getting here. But some of you could be getting very popular on, it could be a YouTube, it could be on social media, or any field like in your career. And this person is like, this person has his eye on you, I'm getting here. I'm also getting this person finds you very, very attractive, and with their, like, this person finds you their perfect match. I'm also getting that if you share a child with this person will express that this person loves you. Sorry. So yes, and I'm also getting like this person could be younger to you, collective. If not younger, then this person just finds you very mature and someone who is very, like, loving when it comes to relationships. Like you, like this person feels like you are a little mature than they are. I'm also getting collective, and like there is a chance that there will be a new start here, and love is there in this situation. There could be 3 people, so just be aware of that. Just apply to a situation. But I'm getting there could be 3 people here, and could be Scorpio Sag. Maybe your person is Scorpio Sag. Okay, so this was your reading, collective. Please let me know if the message resonated with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.